Hello everyone and welcome to the Tech Tales. Today we are unboxing the official Samsung leather cover for Galaxy S20 Plus. I bought this cover in brown color. So I had a similar cover for my Galaxy S10. This is an official leather cover from Samsung for Galaxy S10 Plus. And after using it for 1.5 years, I am really happy with it. This has protected my phone quite well, and if you look closely, you won't see any serious marks on this or any scuffs or any degrading in the color. So after a good experience with my S10 cover, I decided to go with the same cover for my Galaxy S20. So this one is in brown color, and I'm going to unbox it now. So there is a very nice hinge kind of thing which you can just pull, and that's easy. So we have an instruction guide, but we don't need that. We know how to put on a cover. Some supporting foams, and here you go. This is the actual cover. Wow, that looks beautiful. Yeah, this is leather official Samsung cover. This cover supports wireless charging, so you don't have to worry about that part. So now I'm going to put my phone in and see how it looks. So putting in a phone is quite straightforward. You just snap it in. Here you go. Extremely easy. So now the phone is well protected from all three sides, and the bottom side they have left some space open for your speaker grill, your mic, and the USB-C charger. The leather cover, I believe this is going to give you a better grip. I had the clear plastic cover which comes for free with the Samsung phone, and I was facing problems with it, and because this was really slippery and I wasn't able to hold the phone properly, and it also got slipped from my hands a couple of times. But this leather cover, this has a good grip on it, and also you don't have to worry about the smudges or fingerprints because it is dull and leather. If we look at the camera cutout, I believe camera is well inside the edges, so if I put my phone camera down, camera glass is not going to touch the surface. Also, the front edges are kind of higher as compared to the phone, so I guess this is going to protect my screen when I put my phone screen down. Overall, the cover looks beautiful. I am really happy with how it looks so far, and I'm going to create another video after like a 6-month review, and then I'm going to show you how it looks after 6 or 7 months of usage. Any wear and tear it has occurred, and overall, how did I feel about it? So that's it. This was Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus leather back cover in brown color. I'll see you again in the next video. Please like and subscribe the channel. Take care. Goodbye.